Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Kimirica Vivah Potli gift set, a 100% vegan pampering kit inspired by the vibrant traditions of Indian weddings, perfect for brides, grooms, or as a thoughtful anniversary gift. It's part of Kimirica's Vivah collection, known for its marigold and turmeric fragrance that captures the essence of love and celebration. So let's dive in and see if it's as magical as it sounds. First up, the packaging. It's absolutely stunning. Shipped by Kimirica, it arrived in a gorgeous Potli-style gift bag with intricate gold and yellow hues, a nod to wedding mandaps. No wrapping needed, it's gift ready. Inside, we've got a curated selection of bath and body essentials. Think shower gel, bath salt, bathing bar, and hand cream, all infused with skin-loving ingredients like turmeric, shea butter, and aloe vera, vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Starting with the shower gel, 50 ml. I used it with a loofah and it lathers beautifully. The marigold scent with lotus and pomegranate notes is so fresh and uplifting. It cleansed without drying my skin, a total wedding vibe. Next, the bath salt, 50 grams. I sprinkled it in my tub and it turned my bath into a fragrant oasis. The turmeric and marigold aroma is so calming, perfect for a pre-wedding pamper session. The bathing bar, 85G, is handcrafted and moisturizing. I used it and my skin felt smooth, not stripped. The scent lingers subtly. Love that. The hand cream, 30 ml, is lightweight and non-greasy. I applied it and my hands felt silky with a hint of floral musk, ideal for daily use. This set's travel-friendly and gender-neutral, a keepsake for couples or wedding guests. Not budget, but worth it for the luxe experience. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a wedding-inspired spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Maybe a bridal gifting guide,